Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Okay, bike 19 is another very special Honda C50. It's a 12-volt version, 2007 on the age. It only has 15,000 miles on the clock, so very small mileage on it, in really nice condition with the two-tone seat in the kind of a white and black. Nothing really to make note of. Some very minor wear on the engine cover casings on the right hand side. Other than that, exhaust looks perfect, wheels, everything like that. All the side covers or the side panels are in very good condition on this side. Moving to the other side then, again, some very minor wear on the cover casings here on the left hand side, but other than that, really nice condition. Pain points again on the tops of the suspension, again, no rust at all to be seen. So that's it, small mileage, bike 19 Honda C50 12-volt CDI. Really nice bike in great conditions. That's it for our bike 19. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.